Hello world, how you doing? This is another live stream from Bali, Indonesia, obviously. I'm in Ubud today and another very long stroll around Ubud streets. I'm heading now to the Jalan forest, gonna walk around, come back to the street, go around. That's gonna be about 1.5, maybe 2 hours walk slowly through Ubud up to sunset time. You can always watch the playback later on. Meanwhile, you are watching in the first, what is obviously live. You can do the live stream, live chat with me. Well, that's very good for the community. I hope so you guys enjoy. And meanwhile, please enjoy today's live stream from Ubud Bali, Indonesia. That's going to be quite long. You can always watch the playback later on. Anyway, I'm gonna take off my sunglasses because I met just one lady in the Pepito where I was buying my water, and she said, you have really beautiful eyes. Why you always wear your sunglasses? So I also wonder if you're thinking I have a beautiful eyes. Meanwhile, I'm gonna put my sunglasses back. Enjoy what is at the front of me. So today's stroll, we're starting from Taco Casa. Oh, hello. Bracelet already at the beginning of the live stream. Mamma mia. So I got stressed at the beginning because this lady just came from me from the back a little bit. Anyway, this is the area of Ubud, heading straight right now, and well, in about 500 meters will be the beginning of Jalan forest and the one-way road system. That's gonna be our first point direction where we're gonna start today's live stream. Gonna go also around Ubud center a little bit and come back to the street later on, probably after 1 or 2 hours later, guys. So stay tuned. I hope so you enjoyed. Grab your drink, grab your beer, coffee, tea, cocktail, some chips, popcorn, or maybe you eat breakfast right now, or maybe you eat dinner already. Depends where you're coming from. Let me know in the comment section, and please enjoy. If you are working right now or you're going to sleep, you can always watch playback later on. Meanwhile, this is Ubud, middle of February 2022. Whew. Life is going very slow here. Sunset gonna be in about 2 hours, something like that, as always in Bali, always at the same time. Plataran Ubud, also well, characteristic place, little bit pricey. And also here is the Greenfields Hotel. Used to be very popular place some time ago. I think now the time when it's very famous is over. I mean, well, everything is changing even in Ubud. I think this is the new cafe shop in Ubud right now. Seems like some of the new businesses around. Of course, many of them, they are closed, like this one, the Italian restaurant building is for rent, but seems like more and more businesses opening up slowly, like this restaurant over here. Even it's empty, but it's open, which is a definitely good sign. This is the Kakian bakery. We also used to eat here cake in July last time, I remember, at night before lockdown comes. That was the last night before the lockdown. I don't know if you remember, guys. You can comment below, let me know in the comments on the live stream. And yeah, Minimart Circle K. What we have here is some little warung with happy hours. I'm trying to don't move the camera too fast, so either I focus on the left or either I focus on the right a little bit, or I just focus on the middle of the street. Like now, because I know if I'm gonna focus like right now, right here left, here right again, it must be very painful for you to watching. So I prefer to very slowly show you around. This is live stream, so I have nothing to be in rush. My battery in the camera is supposed to last for at least 2 hours, 2.5 hours actually. So maximum capability is about 2 hours for the live stream. Should be fine. This lady is praying. Here supposed to be something like an ice cream shop or yogurt shop, cotton drink, something like that. Hello, how are you? Take care. Oh, lovely massage ladies. I didn't saw her at the front at the beginning. They just say hello, show the Korean sign of love. I think like this, something like that is Korean sign of love. However, I'm not the expert. You can let me know in the live chat. And yeah, life in Ubud. Okay guys, last time I used to vlog in Kuta and then in Canggu, and now it's time for Ubud. So let me know in the next time where would you like to me do the live stream. Here is the sandwich bar. We have in Sanur sandwich bar also like this. And here is something also, the new Van Dutch cafe. Alaya Ubud Hotel and Spa, also some guests staying there, I guess. The hotel is open and something is happening. It's just really not so bad. They have a huge coffee machine deep inside actually, by the way. And this is the Van Dutch also. They changed the building. It was more in the corner, somewhere here, but they changed. I don't know if they're gonna extend the size or they're gonna refurbish, or I think they're gonna refurbish or extend the size. Anyway, this is the one of the restaurants what is always busy. It's called Spizon Cafe. Always busy, maybe not today, very busy, but seems like it's still busy enough. And behind this building is actually another restaurant. Just very interesting fact. And yeah, meanwhile, this is already the corner of Jalan Monkey Forest. This is the big Coco Mart shop. I'm gonna go around, so I'm gonna come back from this direction. But meanwhile, we're gonna go into this direction. This is the Monkey Forest Ubud, big monkey sign. Unfortunately, I will walk a little bit into the sun direction for a while, so sorry for the quality, but this is only like 1 kilometer stroll up to the forest, and after that the quality will be good because sun will be off behind me. So I hope so you understand a little bit of the technical issues of the camera filming, especially during the live stream. I cannot really make different perspective. So yeah, so the problem with the vlogging, if you are not much familiar with the camera gear equipment, when it's sun there, everything in the background is darkish a little bit. That's pretty complicated and quite difficult, but yeah, that's how it works. So I'm trying to focus more on one side of the other street so you can see something. But guys, live stream is live stream. Later when you're watching a playback, at least you know how does it work. Some foreigners driving here. This is the one-way road system, by the way, also. But well, by bike is both ways, but sometimes the cars also driving both ways here. Anyway, it's very quiet still. Well, it's definitely slightly better situation. Oh, big bus. Slightly better situation than I used to vlog here in the past weeks, past months, or past years, because even 2 years already doing the daily videos. By the way, if you are new on the channel, welcome all. And I highly suggest you to check out my channel, like the video, subscribe if you are new, obviously, if you haven't subscribed yet, because we are doing videos from Bali every single day, all year round. So a lot of material on my channel to check this out, and a lot of upcoming beautiful statues here of the monkeys. We are heading into Monkeys Forest. By the way, monkey forests are very close. This is a very interesting way of parking the car in Bali. Well, I'm not criticizing the parking skills, but it's very interesting in general. In general, I could say. Yo, peace. People see as I'm doing some sort of video or something. Always happy people. Yo, what's up? Don't you worry, guys. Soon we're gonna see the monkeys. I'm doing the live stream, so I hope so they're not gonna be very nasty and jumping on me, or I have to run, because that will be very interesting, because I will record that obviously and you will guys see and laugh for sure. Tropical view, kitchen, bar and coffee. It's open, but empty inside. And we are heading now into quite depressing part of Ubud. I'm not sure what's happened here with the monkeys forest. They didn't say it's closed, but they put things like this. And anyway, very quiet. I believe monkey forests are open anyway. The restaurants here, unfortunately, all of them restaurants are closed or nearly closed. So yeah, this street is very slippery, guys. Check this out. I have a shoe and I'm sliding. Oh shit. Actually, I'm sliding, like, you know, guys. So I will walk on the street. Please don't criticize me for that. So yeah. Doing the live stream is a lot of fun always. Monkeys here. I hope so they're not gonna jump on me. I have a bottle of water and they may be interested of that. Anyway, seems like they are very calm still. Anyway, the buildings here, the Warung's restaurants, unfortunately, they remain closed. Yo, what's up, buddy? How you doing? I'm not gonna focus on him too much because that brings attention. Very interesting fact, if you are meeting monkeys like that, the golden tip is to don't look into eyes. And this is funny regarding my wearing sunglasses right now. In this occasion, actually, they are very helpful and very handy. However, a very interesting fact, you never look into monkeys' eyes too long, especially. Otherwise, they will attack. They thinking as you are aggressor and you're gonna attack them. Yo, what's up, buddy? How you doing, my friend? And this is the old entrance to the monkey forest. The entrance has changed past, I don't know, like in the past few years. Harleys, Davidson, scaring monkey. The old entrance is open, actually. Monkey forest, you can buy ticket. They clean it actually right now. I can see it's very nice, tidy up everything. The forest, little monkeys tidying up. Here is some car parked to show, to having a look for the monkeys, maybe feeding them. That was the long time ago, the old parking area right here. The guys, you cannot park here and feed the monkeys, so the Honda gonna go. But yeah, this is the rule. You cannot feed monkeys and stop here, especially. For some reason, you cannot feed the monkeys in monkey forest in Ubud. Not sure actually why it's like that, but you cannot. Years ago, many of you maybe remember yo, everybody are happy actually in Ubud as I'm making the live, coming with the camera. Long time ago, many of you maybe remember was possible to feed the monkeys in Monkey Ubud Bali, this area of Ubud. Whew. I don't want to work here at night, I could say. Long time ago, many of you maybe remember, it was always busy here and so much life. But currently, unfortunately, this is probably the most deserted part of Ubud. So, yeah. But that's how it is. That's the reality. And during the live stream, you see everything, every single corner. There is nothing to cut off during the live stream. And here we go. There are a few monkeys over there sitting on the gate. Maybe you can see. I don't know if I can zoom it. Yeah, a little bit. Here we go, guys. Oops. It was rainy actually today. I hope so. It's not gonna be rainy. What this sound is coming from? Oh, they are fighting over there. Check this out. Scares me on the junction at the corner. Yeah, better I evacuate, going more into that direction. I mean, I really like monkeys in Bali. My name is also Mr. Monkey or the Monkeys channel. However, I don't wanna be on the middle of the fight of monkeys. I hope so you understand. And this is already the Jalan Monkey Forest, more popular, more famous one. I also used to vlog here multiple times, guys. This is kind of big tragic what's going on here. I think it's also worth to show the buildings falling apart. I hope so one day will be better situation in this part of Ubud, as somebody gonna rent these buildings refurbished because they are obviously private owned. So I hope so one day will be more improvement, because all of us are supposed to look like this one with the warungs, with the clothes and everything, but not today. This restaurant, I remember like 3-4 years ago, I used to have a very nice chocolate milkshake here. Huge, bigger than this bottle, really big. Was really great. However, it's closed anyway. I'm heading now to the top of the monkey forest. All of these shops, they are not in the best shape. They are not even for rent, they are just abandoned, left over. Oh, yeah, probably if you would like to rent this, contact the owner, find the local banjar, ask who is the owner, and you could rent this, but I'm not really sure if it's any point to rent like this one. Like this or this or this one, for example, it's even suitable for the Monkeys Cafe. What Winnie with me will potentially open. However, the location is premium, but without people right now, right? So, we don't know. This is just the thinking. Anyway, back to the topic of the Ubud. It's actually quite hard to walk up there. It's very hot in Bali, guys. So, keep in mind, if I'm walking like 10, 15 kilometers for you, all around, holding the camera in my hand, focus what I'm gonna tell to you, and it's in this heat, it's actually, guys, really not easy. It's not easy at all. Okay, I will stop here a little bit, little traffic. It was rainy, the water is going out from the roof. Little hot. Check this out. I'm gonna cross the street a little bit. This car is driving very fast. This is the very characteristic point. I used to do many thumbnails, pictures, standing here and facing this way. So this is one of the very characteristic points on Ubud Monkey Forest Street. Guys, yo, what's up? Oh, monkey walking on the middle of the street. Better I walk a little faster. Anyway, this is the Jalan Monkey Forest. For everyone who just joined the live stream, guys, this is Jalan Monkey Forest in Ubud Bali, Indonesia. Welcome on my live stream. I hope so you enjoy. Big thumb up, guys. Don't forget, this is very important. Cool monkey here. It's open right now. There are some people smiling to me, I think. I hope so. They're smiling for me. Anyway, the cool monkey, actually good place, cool place, but this is frozen yogurt. And guys, that's how it looks like. So, big thumb up. This is very important. So many more people can join the live stream. The YouTube algorithm is gonna work better. You can do it on your phone if you switch off the live chat, or you can do it on your TV also. It's really actually a problem. And yeah, that's how it looks. Ubud Inn. Not sure open or not. Yeah, I think it's open. It's actually a great time for making a video right now. The sun is going a little down already, so it's good light, not too bright, not too dark still. Ubud terrace bungalows. Little shop here. Yeah. This is the money changer with the exactly currency right now. American dollar 13.725, Australian 9.725, euros 15.675, and Japanese yen 118. For everyone who are coming to Bali in the near future and are interested about the currencies right now, there's definitely less money changers open, but also the kind of good news is the spooky money changers, like in this box like this. Sometimes there was also money changers. They trying to scam you, used to try to scam you. All of them, they are closed. Yo, what's up? So only the big money changers are open right now, which is good. Also, not all of them. They only saw a few of them. Some of them. So yeah, this is the nice empty place for rent. Shop also empty. Many things on Jalan Monkey Forest are empty, especially on this side. Heading more into deep inside, deep inside the center, there will be definitely much more busier. And this is the Ubud bungalows. Yo, what's up, doggo? How you doing? Not the best conditions of the dog. There's not even food what I could buy to him right now, because all of this is closed. Actually, that's really not good. Hello, how are you? It's actually easier to find the spa right now than the warung with the nasi jingo or whatever. So yeah, that's how it is. I think it's time for me to drink the water a little bit. I have to stop somewhere here. Oh, behind me is the big bus. This is the public bus. You can come from Denpasar city, kinda cheap. But I never tried actually. I wanted once try, but I don't know. For some reason, I skip this idea. And yeah, this is how it is. Whew. People looking at me sometimes. Sometimes people just waving. Sometimes they just look for me. This is kind of strange always feeling, but all of them, they are very nice, very friendly, very gentle in general. And this is the Jalan Monkey Forest in Ubud, guys. Let's see how's the life more deep. Here is some folk, pool and garden open. Just the guy with the box. Hello. Yo, Bakso.
How are you?
Good, how are you? And yeah. Whew. So hot. Actually, guys. Jalan Monkey Forest. For everyone who just joined the live stream, welcome all. Guys, please enjoy. Big thumb up. This is very helpful for the well, video will be discovered by more people if you guys gonna like the video. This is very important. Cost you nothing, is for free, totally for free. Just takes you less than 1 second to do it, but it helps more than you could imagine, for me especially as the creator. So please do it if you don't mind. Komaneka Rasa Sayan Bali Pesto Cafe closed for rent. If you would like to interested, they have spare cables, electric cables here also. If something happens, they're just gonna take a cable and that's it, right? That's simple as that. Whew. I really need to stop somewhere to have a drink. Adiwana Hotel, Airport TV, Resort. All of them seems to be open. Now this is the good piece of wall. I'm gonna put the camera here. Hold on a second, somebody have a copy. This is some sort of building with the Cuban cigarro. Anyway, I'm gonna show you a little bit watercress at the front, around. Still very quiet in Ubud in general. I'm gonna put my camera here, so little shaky. Sorry about that. All right, check this out. My face. I'm already sweating quite a lot. It's very hot, guys. Very hot. Oops, my water is also like only water, guys. No bean tank or no something while doing the vlogs. Whew. Just started and half butter already gone. Okay, let's go. You must. Very loud bikes make me headache. You must laughing me watching the water, but this is a live stream. I hope so. You understand. Anyway, here we go. Starbucks in Ubud and another cafe. Hello. Yo. People are very friendly. Cafe Wine and Bakery, very famous place, legendary in Ubud. Empty, unfortunately, empty, but it is. Somebody say hello, but I don't know where. This is the building front. I mean, under the construction, Cafe Wine and everything is very quiet here. Sometimes I hear some voices of hello, but I don't know where the people are actually. And yeah, that's how it is in general. Whew, guys, look at my forehead. Actually, I feel more hot. I'm sweating quite a lot right now, more than I was in Kura or even in Nusa Dua last time. Also, the humidity in Bali is so high. It was rainy not so long ago. I was afraid it's gonna be rainy right now, but it's not. So, whew, sorry for my heavy breath. Anyway, I will show you what is at the front. Oops. Lol. Whew. Even the footpath here is like the nature is taking slowly. Will be easier for me to walk by the street, but safety first, guys. Safety first. And yeah, Ubud village hotel. There's some people arrive. La El Mexicana Canteen Bali closed. Unfortunately closed. So this is the LOL bar. So the owner must doing something, some sort of refurbishments. They're gonna open in the near future, I think. Here we go, big building inside. Decontractant. Decontractant, it means for rent. But I don't know if this building or only this small money changer. This is money changer, what I was saying, as they are usually doing scams. Try to avoid. Anyway, all of them, they are closed right now. Not sure if ever this what. Actually, guys, I'm just thinking right now. I'm not really sure if everything will come back like it used to be a long time ago, like the small money changers or the tour agents, like selling trips on the street from the boxes like this. I'm really not sure. Maybe even mass tourism gonna come back, like thousands of millions of people gonna come. There will be, but I'm not sure if that's gonna be right now. Really, I'm not sure about that. Not in the near future, but one day, probably, for sure. Anyway, this is the area of middle of Jalan Monkey Forest, closer to the center, and definitely more boutiques are here, and they are open. They are empty, but they are open, definitely. So, at least, right? At least something is happening, little bit. Around sports station, there's some lovely couple here. And yeah, oops, the water is coming from the roof. Have to avoid. Hello, how are you, my friend? I'm doing the live stream, actually, my friend.
I'm watching you for well over a year.
Thank you so much
In
for saying
America.
that. Take care. How long already in Bali?
Oh my God, this is 25 or 26 times a day.
All right. Take care, my friend. Thank you for saying hi.
Give me positive stories, nothing negative.
Always, always. I'm trying my best. See my smile on my face. Take care. Lovely, 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 lovely. Later, always you can find somebody who recognize me. This is actually very nice, guys. And I just also imagine, like, if you all of you gonna come back to Bali, and all of you gonna say hi to me. What I really wish, I mean, this is really, I really love when you guys recognize me on the street and saying hi to me. Really, really love it. But if you're gonna like all the time saying like that, maybe it will be my vlogs will be half of talking with you only, guys. CP Lounge. Somebody asked me about this place. So here we go. I don't know where is CP Lounge actually. Going, oh, this one. Anyway, closed. I think here used to be the dances, like Balinese dances years ago, ages ago, but yeah, it was to be. And this is the street, and there is the stadium. I'm gonna go to the stadium show. Let's see how is the life. Somebody have a nice Vespa. By the way, many nice Vespas in Bali. There is a lot of people have a Vespa in Bali. Just interesting fun. A lot of activities on the stadium. Kids playing. They have like some sort of football trainings. Actually nice is they are actually kids here who are playing just by themselves, and there is with the trainer, and there is also foreigner kids playing, so that's good. That's potential new players in Bali United. By the way, I really want to go to Bali United Stadium. I will ask my friend, maybe he's gonna go with me, and we're gonna show you around one day if you're interested. For sure some of you are the football lovers, right? At least some of you. And yeah, back to the street. Show a little bit how does it look like. So people saying always be optimistic when you're making videos. and I really appreciate that, and I'm also trying to be always. If not, I will be probably not making this live stream or any kind of videos already a long time ago. I will just stay at home and that's it, and ignore everything and everyone, but I'm still keep pushing it. I'm always optimistic. However, if it's something empty, closed, deserted, or is simply not optimistic, I will show you that. You know me from the way as I'm always honest person and always showing everything, however it is, good or bad, doesn't matter. I had also many good things happen to me in the past, but also very many bad things happened to me in the past. Especially last year was really unlucky at that time, robberies and many other stuff. So, you know guys, like this shop is closed, but next one, Paulina Katarina, is open. So always try to be optimistic. Always. This is the Perifulus bookshop. Somebody asked me last time. Here we go. I think Alan asked me last time about it. Perifulus is open. So here you go, mate. I hope so you're watching me right now. And yeah, heading now to Ubud Center, the exact Ubud Center right now, and well, except that this is very hot. The traffic actually is definitely much busier than it used to be in the past months. Definitely, guys. This is not as I'm just trying to be optimistic, just to talk optimistic things. Well, definitely, life is a little bit more alive. Situation is definitely more alive. We just cross the street quickly, and that's good. That's good, as it's definitely more alive, but still very far to the previous stage. But definitely a little bit optimistic. Anyway, Jalan Monkey Forest, welcome all the new people who just joined my live stream. If you are watching playback, I hope so you are still keep watching till this moment. Anyway, check this out, this vinyl foil on this end marks, pretty cool. The chrome, I don't know, forgot to mention, forgot the name, what is it called? Anyway, cool stuff. This is they making some building, what is already for rent. It's not finished yet, but it's already for rent. Seems like a nice shop. It's gonna be here. The construction people at least have still something to do. Anyway, guys, I would like to remind you one more time, guys, big thumb up. It's helped a lot to improve the views of the channel. Cost you nothing, it's totally for free. 1 second only. You can do it on switching the live chat, and you can find the option of the like button, like in normal regular video. If you're watching playback, also very important, just like the video, please, guys. If you are new on the channel, well, you can check this out, my old videos. I have 650 videos on the channel, making videos from Bali every single day, almost 2 years already in a row. And yeah, you could consider to subscribe, because new video is coming every single day at 4 p.m. Bali time, GMT +8. Yeah, guys, this is the Ubud Center almost. Definitely more alive than it used to be months ago. Definitely, guys. Definitely Bollywood Indian cuisine, and here is the local small street. You can go deep inside the gang, and there used to be some restaurant, guest houses and stuff like this. You can see the name of the places. There's some girls, traffic, Bakso guy. What's going on? Hello, hello. Little traffic, as you see. Definitely is a situation more alive and more happy than it used to be in Ubud. Of course, still places like this, but in general, definitely everything is more alive and more happy. Yo, hello. How are you?
How are you?
Good.
Good.
Good. Take care. Yeah. Take care. Very optimistic people in Ubud. Always. This is the area of Ubud Art Market and Ubud Palace. Hello, lady with the fruits. If she will selling the drinks, will be more. But she's alright. Very hot, guys. This is the entrance to the art market. I'm gonna walk through the art market for sure, very shortly, very soon. But first of all, I'm gonna show you the Ubud Center, which is the art market over here, right here. The art market. Not sorry, this is the King Palace. A little bit tired. It's very hot. This is the one of the street. You can go there. There is the Milk and Madu famous restaurant, and many other little restaurants here. You can go to North Ubud, many villas into that direction. And this is the Sombanjar and Pura Saraswati over there with the another Starbucks. Just gonna have a little look. So they are like a temples, and they are used to be a restaurant, but unfortunately the restaurants here are still closed, all of them. So maybe I'm not gonna show you this too much today, because that will be too much of the pessimistic, I guess. Anyway, yeah, you can find the temples, beautiful temples, and there is another one. Okay, I'm just gonna show you this town Pura Desa, which is like a temple of village. Looks really nice, and this is the central spot, like this, or like this exactly, facing the gate into the top of the temple. And I'm gonna come back now and show you a little bit of the art market in Ubud, guys. And yeah, definitely much more alive. I mean, well, definitely slightly more. There are some tourists also walking. Not sure if they are just newcomers, or they are coming from different cities from Indonesia, because obviously a lot of foreigners living also in Jakarta, in Surabaya, in Borneo Island, in Flores, everywhere, actually everywhere. I think more foreigners living outside Bali than in Bali itself. This is just fun fact, interesting fact. This is not a joke, but true confirmed fact is a lot of foreigners living just in the other islands of Indonesia. And yeah, heading now to art market, just needs to cross the street, and for some reason now it's quite busy. Many motorbikes driving. I'm gonna stop for a while, show you, and then I think there is the gap. I can go now. Go, Damian, go. And here we go. This is the market. Hello. Good, how are you? All right, now so many shops. Hello. All right, and this is like normally the parking area. You can park your car here. At morning there are fruits and veg on the left and on the right, everywhere over here. But now I'm trying to show you a little bit around the market. It was rainy, as you can see. It's to avoid. I'm working by using the shoe, so it needs to avoid them a little bit. Of course, in the market, everyone, literally every seller gonna shout after me to buy something or something like that. And you know, guys, as I cannot help to everyone. This is more likely tourist place, not really for someone who is living in Bali. People usually don't buy here. This is more likely for tourist attraction. Hello, how are you?
Hello, bro. Hey, very cheap, bro.
Very cheap stuff.
Cheap.
Very cheap. You can buy it if you want. Hello. Okay, I go better into this direction. Hello. Hello. That's the lovely sellers. We also made a few videos in the market, and we make also 2 or 3 videos where we buy many stuff here just for the support at the beginning, where was literally nobody on this market. You could walk only by yourself, so the times was really much worse than they are now. Now they are really not that bad. I could say there are some tourists really walking around, even shopping, to compare to the last time, which is the really great improvement, right? Definitely 15 or 50. 50. Here we go. Valley ducks. Really nice stuff. It's already late, so many of the vendors going home slowly. It's already finished, but yeah, still people are around, and definitely there is more foreigners around also than months ago. That's good improvement, and they are even buying something, not just looking. So that's good. That's good. I will try, strongly recommend you to watch my old videos where we support people here. Some of you maybe remember, hello, maybe remember, some of you maybe skip this. Strongly apologize as I cannot support anyone on this occasion, because I know there will be some comments, but honestly you cannot make everyone happy and support everyone. Also on the street there's many local guest houses where you could stay, but there is no access by car and limited access by motorbike. But if you would like to live with the local family, definitely recommended place. Many dream catchers here. And this guy, hello, how are you, my friend? I can see you. Beautiful Cambodia. That's good. You should change the t-shirt to beautiful Bali or so. Take care. Hello. And the guy actually had a t-shirt from Cambodia. That's so funny, but very optimistic.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Enjoying Bali.
Yeah. Whew. Here we go, guys. I'm heading now into the area of the small streets where are the, what is it called, the restaurant's called Golden Monkey with the Chinese food, but meanwhile still showing you around this shopping stroll. And honestly this shopping stroll is definitely more alive here than to compare to the even Poppy's Lane last time when I was 2 days ago, or yesterday. I already lose the count when we was. This is the local guest house on the street if you're interested. So basically Ubud seems recovering slightly faster than Kuta or Legion, that's for sure, and that's very interesting fact, guys. And this is already the entrance to the main street. Quickly gonna show you. So I just cross this street and go around, literally around. This is like a 20-30 meters, maybe 50 meters on this main street. So it's not a point. I'm gonna go into this direction right now over here. Meanwhile, this is the entrance to the street, and this is the name of the street. Selamat datang di Jalan Karna. Welcome to Karna Street. Here you go, guys, and you can go there up to the market. Actually, the market is starting since the beginning till the end. And then I'm gonna go like a zigzag, you know, guys, like left, right, come back and come back again, but by different streets. So nearly like making circles, but showing you everything, little bit like a labyrinth. You could get lost here, actually. Well, I remember a long time ago I was getting lost, but now, well, didn't get lost for a long time. Nowadays I'm like proud of it. I mean, like I'm saying, as I know everything, but well, I know many streets in Bali. But I'm not greedy or something like that. This is just, I know. I spent here many years. So probably if I wanna go to my hometown, I will still confused where are the streets, what I'm looking for than before. A lot of foreigners walking by the streets, by the way. That's a really big surprise and improvement to the previous month. I know I said already a few times, but definitely, guys, if you are watching me, some of you guys watching me since the beginning, every single day, I really appreciate that. I really appreciate indeed. And you know, guys, as many of you watching me till every single day, and remember, as the streets used to be literally totally empty, like zero was here, but now definitely it's more alive, and there are people even sitting in the restaurants and everything. So it's really big improvement. However, highly not recommended to walking by the footpath. I nearly fall down now. I nearly broke my leg. No, I'm not saying bad things, but the things are moving out. So better walk on the street here. Anyway, this is the small street one-way road system. not much traffic, so it's safe. But things is just nobody developed these things, actually. The footpath, the offerings, a lot of offerings everywhere on the streets like this in Bali, if you don't know. But it would be nice if they could fix a little bit of this footpath, especially in Ubud, because the situation in Ubud is really not that good. It's small and it's very broken, and not even mentioned as it's slippery. Okay, no more complaining, right, guys? Golden monkey somewhere over here. Definitely look at this restaurant and everything. There are people sitting inside, they're enjoying their lunches, their breaks. And there are definitely more foreigners here. This is really, check this out, this is all foreigners driving around, which is a great improvement, especially to the last time when we were here with Winnie, even like 2 months ago or something, before Christmas, when we recorded in Padma Ubud Hotel. Oh yeah, golden monkey over here. This is the Chinese food, highly recommended by many people. However, I never been inside. One day with Winnie, we're gonna come. And this is the junction. So I'm gonna go into this street, Jalan Gotama. Meanwhile, I'm gonna stop for a while, cocktail bar. Gonna show you around. How does it look like? Then I'm gonna walk around and walk there. But meanwhile, this is the corner of Golden Monkey, and I come from this direction. This is the name of the restaurants and all the homestays what you could find here, quite many. One more time, the name of the street is Jalan Gotama, with so many offerings and the statue over here, hidden here. Here we go. This area of more likely with the guest houses, a lot of local families living here and having local guest houses and local warungs or small restaurants around. Definitely there is not really like a art market where so many bazaars, stragans, stuff like this, so shopping strolls. There is definitely more hotels, I mean guest houses, and local small shops, obviously, and restaurants. And I always wonder, as people even having trying to park the cars on the street, which is very nice. Anyway, Warung Bernadette, it's closed, unfortunately, and some boutiques are open. It's very quiet on the street, so I'm so sorry I have to talk a little bit more quiet here. We used to vlog also here last time, showing one of these guest houses inside. We met at that time some couple from Scotland. I don't remember where we were sitting. I think in this Balinese food warung at the front, and I think we were in this guest house inside, deep inside. Everything you can find on my channel, guys, if you missing that. But today we are strolling around during the live stream. Yeah, this Balinese food warung you can grab here, open. There is some nice cafe, small but very nice, actually, really nice. I really like it. Nice, very nice concept. And I nearly broke my bottle of water, so I have to be careful. But the concept of the cafe was very nice. The Thomas price for everyone. 100% cotton made in Bali. This company, I don't know who owns this and what is coming from, but they are opening three shops in Sanur on Tamblingan Street right now, in the same time. 3 of them. Can you imagine, guys? Some sort of big company. And this is like a nice warung also. I like the concept. This is actually a nice concept for monkey cafe in the future. Maybe. We never know. If we're gonna make it cafe into Winnie, more likely gonna make it, not me. Cafe in tourist attraction in tourist area in Bali, because we both together, we have also different idea what we maybe gonna talk about that in the near future, one day on the vlog. So stay tuned for that. This is kinda surprised, but we are still thinking about that. Anyway, actually many things here potentially for rent, quite a lot. Jalan Gotama, very local vibe here. All over cafe, small cafe here in Ubud. Nice Yamaha, very nice bike. Really like them, old school. I had an NMAX like this, but I sold this already with Winnie. Not allowed to drive motorbike anymore. Prohibited by my wife. No, just joking. Just for the safety reason, guys. Was so many accidents around nowadays, and we are trying to avoid driving motorbikes for safety reasons. Really, guys. In the past months, was so many accidents. Many were everywhere. We didn't record this. I didn't record this. Yo, what's up? The kids. And yeah, and this is come back to the main street. Heading to the Ubud Center, I'm gonna hit into this direction. So I'm gonna show you slowly around where we are right now. The Ubud Art Market was over there, and there was many restaurants. Unfortunately, many of them, they are closed. This is Jalan Gotama, what I just passed from the other perspective. Pretty nice street. Almost fall down again from this small thing, but yeah, have to be careful. And yeah, heading now back to the slowly going back actually, but facing completely different perspective, passing different street. Nomad Ubud. And yeah, very hot, guys. Anyway, welcome all the new people who just joined my live stream. Welcome all. Don't forget to put big thumb up, like the video live stream. Very important, helping to increase the reach of the video. Well, what I can say, thank you for joining. Welcome. If you are still watching the playback later on, also big thumb up. I hope so you enjoy. And yeah, we are today in Ubud Bali, Indonesia, making little life for you guys. I hope so you enjoy. And this is Ubud. Here we go. Oops. Music. I have to evacuate quickly because I'm gonna get problem if I'm gonna get cuffed by YouTube with this song. Very nice song, by the way, but I cannot be on YouTube like this. And this is the one-way road system here. There is small road. There is the traffic. You could go to the big statues over there and going to Tegalalang. If you're gonna go till the end of the road and going into that direction into left, there will be Tegalalang. But obviously this is many kilometers so far to go, so we're gonna come back now into one-way system, going back to the place where I started today's live stream, which is at the beginning of Jalan Monkey Forest on the other side, on the side where is the market itself. I think I'm gonna go into this side of the street. It will be better perspective to showing you around. Definitely better for light, I think also. Anyway, the light here is a little bit lower, so sorry for potentially worst video quality here. Obviously, I explained at the beginning as well as the light conditions is sometimes difficult to make a good quality video. I hope so you understand. Anyway, this is the live stream, so it's not gonna be edited, and anyhow, whatever you see, that's how it is. I cannot cut anything. I hope so you just enjoy simply. This is the Black Beach Italian cafe. Very I got this video, one of my first videos here, got quite high number of views. There was the nice waiter there, but I don't know if she's still working, but that was a long time ago. This cafe was one of the few cafes in Ubud who were never ever closed, because obviously many cafes in this area of Ubud, in general in Ubud itself, in Ubud, just in general in Ubud, they were totally closed, many of them. So if you are thinking about that, the improvement is really big. I also been in this cafe here some time ago. There is like a Hobbit entrance, but it's vegan food. Well, for everyone who are vegan, I highly recommend it. I'm not vegan, but yeah. And this is little stroll in Ubud. So here we go. There were some people just working next to me. That was a little bit stressful. Don't really like when somebody working very close to me and listen what I'm saying and looking at that. Normal thing. This is some local house. Very nice, deep inside, I think. I'm not gonna go to someone's house anyway. But yeah, local stuff. Surge cafe, chocolate closed. Statue. By the way, in Ubud you can also make a statue. By the way, they may used to make a pretty nice statues like a dragons and stuff like this. Well, I'm not a fan of statue, but some of you are for sure. So here we go, and this is the like a local house also there. You can stay there. I think this is like a homestay or guest or something, some sort of thing like this. And this is also very nice, the Toyota Land Cruiser, the old one. So yeah, that's how it is. And heading more into direction of Jalan Monkey Forest, come back. Honestly, I forgot what is the name of the street. But anyway, guys, I'm in Ubud, Bali, Indonesia. For everyone who just joined, hope so you enjoy my live stream today. Very nice Ganesh statue, the old one. Very nice with the shop with actually many nice thingies, but well, this street is slightly more quiet than previous ones. But there are some warungs open here, also the shops. Hello. Thank you. Lady offered the massage. Street is popular through the shops with the clothes, like small shops, massage, tattoo studios, and some boutiques like this selling stuff. Like this, like a bracelet or something like that. Actually, you could buy everywhere elsewhere, but you can buy also from the shop. And this is the street where I was like 20 minutes ago or something like that. Jalan Gotama corner and Golden Monkey over there. I used to be there just 20 minutes ago. I'm heading back into this direction. Okay, maybe I'm gonna cross the street again and show you from the different perspective, because not one facing only one side of the street all the time. So this is the local Banjar temple, also very nice. And here we go. Okay, yeah, some warungs here. Oops, sorry for shakiness. Changing the hand, already painful of carrying all the time one hand the camera. And there are shops. Small cafe shop also open here. And local warung here selling some nasi jingo. Hello. And it's also like sometimes it's not everybody wishing to record them how they buying food or how they are eating or local sellers. Not everybody wants to be on the camera, guys. And I know it's very hard for many of you to maybe understand that or realize, because a long time ago like everyone was so happy to be on your lens, but suddenly during the 2 years of the current situation, for some reason sometimes people don't want to be on the camera. This guy wants to be. Yo, what's up? How are you? Good. From Europe. So some of them they want to be, some of them sometimes not. Anyway, some construction over here, people working hard. But this is like already I don't know how long I'm doing this live stream. It's about 1 hour already right now. So today's live stream gonna be, I don't know how long, something about 1.5 hours, maybe slightly longer or maybe shorter. Let's see. Little bit hot. There is also a street with the local houses and guest houses and stuff like this. Many buildings here are for rent. Yoga Shanti. This street is little bit slightly less popular than the previous streets what I showed you, or maybe just is slightly more quiet right now. Maybe in the previous conditions was definitely much more busier, but currently Situation looks like this. Gecko wholesale. A little stroll. I will face the maybe camera a little bit like this right now. So basically you can feel like you are walking here by yourself on the same height. Hold on, guys. This is actually a good idea. Oh, my right hand is a little bit stronger and more stable than the left hand. Just interesting fact. Okay, so for another few minutes I'm gonna hold the camera just right like this, so you can feel like you are walking here by yourself in the virtual reality. Here we go. Mamma mia. Mamma mia. Oops. I hope so you enjoying all the time and enjoyed my live stream today. This is not over yet, guys. I'm just trying to take a slightly little break of talking. You know, like after 1 hour already. Maybe it's not even hard for me to walk here and everything, making a video, but it's slightly more difficult to talk. The humanity is extremely high, also very strong. This is just the peaceful walk on Ubud streets, close to the sunset. Sunset is gonna be in less than 1 hour from now, or something like that. This is like afternoon walk, just filming for you, actually doing the live stream. Pretty the same thing, just with the difference as the live stream is without any editing, so you see everything, what I did, what I see, you just see. Anyway, this is the Cabon Mediterranean restaurant. We used to be with Winnie here last time, make a video about that place. It's been a while ago, not actually really a while ago, it was like a I don't know, maybe 2 weeks ago, something like that, for everyone. Very nice restaurant, by the way, and seems also it's quite busy actually, which is nice, surprised. Some places will be just more busier than the other ones. That's very normal. I'm also looking for one restaurant where I used to have the coconut when I was first time in Bali and come to Ubud for the very first time. I used to be somewhere here and having a coconut in the one of the restaurant, like a bamboo construction restaurant, something like that, facing the street, but I don't remember where it was. There is a nice shop, by the way, here for ladies of the clothes. So yeah, pizza. Nice Banjar temple, another village of Ubud. Because also very interesting fact, Ubud itself very nice car also. Anyway, very interesting fact, as Ubud is there is the nice village actually with the Ogo Ogo, because the Nyapi Day, Silence Days is very soon, so I'm gonna show you a little bit around. I think so they don't mind us, I'm gonna have a look a little bit. So the Ogo Ogo preparation here, it's gonna be Ogo Ogo parade. I'm not sure if it's gonna be officially or not, because the rules are changing every few days. Once they saying as there is prohibited Ogo Ogo festival, and once they saying as it will be. So still there are 2 weeks till Silence Day in this year, 3rd of March. So let's see. We're not sure with Winnie what we're gonna do during the Silence Day. Probably rest. Not sure if at home or in the hotel with the family, or maybe we're gonna go somewhere outside. But going outside Bali probably not, because Winnie cannot go due to her work and stuff like this. So probably we're gonna stay in Bali, but let's see if we're gonna filming at that time or maybe not. Maybe I'm gonna prepare the one video additionally and upload at the just up front. I can make 2 videos in 1 day if you want, or maybe I will just have a simply 1 day off from filming and editing and just enjoy my time. Hello. Let me know also, guys, what do you think during the Nyapi. Let me know, guys, if you ever experienced Nyapi Day in Bali. I experienced Nyapi Day in Bali, I think already 6 or 7 times in my life. This will be 7 or 8. I lost the count. I will need to stop and think about that how many times. always being in Bali. I never go outside Bali just to skip it. I know some people going outside, usually to Gili or Lombok or Jakarta during the Nyapi day. Even some Balinese actually doing like that. Some of them, but most likely people staying in Bali and enjoying the Nyapi days, day of silence. So let me know if you have ever experienced and what you will do. But probably we're gonna stay somewhere. Let's see guys, I will let you know for sure. But that's still 2 weeks. And yeah, actually this area of Ubud is definitely more quiet than previous ones. Definitely. Hold on, I just gonna check something. I'm checking only if my microphone is working well, because I will don't be happy if my microphone battery is off or I accidentally messed up and the sound quality is messed up. You will let me know guys, but once we start the video live stream in the car, and my phone at that time was connected to the Bluetooth to the car radio system, and the sound for the first 10 minutes was very bad quality. But most of you said the sound is actually good. And somebody said it's not really good, and then I just realized the sound was terrible. Thank you so much guys. Anyway, probably you didn't want it to say bad to me, but if it's something wrong with the sound, I really appreciate if you're gonna tell me, yo, what's up, because the sound is very important during the videos, during the live stream. That's why I have a special microphones to always sound will be good and never problems with the sound quality. Alright, we're heading now to Ubud, more central part right now. I hope so the image quality is good for you. It's a little bit shaky maybe, because obviously I'm working and I don't use the gimbal yet. But I hope so it's still stable enough for you guys. Let me know. Alright, I'm heading now into area of the sign where is the Jalan Monkey Forest. There is the big Coco Mart. This is quite characteristic place, and this is definitely more central part of Ubud, but seems like more close to, it's more late, more close to sunset time. There is less people by the streets. Of course Ubud is a little bit different than Sanur or Kuta or Legian or any other loud bikes or any other areas where is the ocean. So it's slightly different. Anyway, I'm gonna show you a little bit around where I am. Maybe you're gonna find out. The bus at the front is the Monkeys in Ubud. Definitely less popular than in Seminyak one. In Seminyak one is extremely busy. By the way, Monkeys just opened the restaurant in Peak 2 in Jakarta, and it's super fancy and super busy, by the way. It's just interesting fact. Maybe some of you would be interested, as the company should start in Bali, they opening restaurants in Jakarta also. Ryoshi in Ubud. I'm not a big fan of Ryoshi company, to be honest, but they are kind of nice, I could say. Bebek Ben Gil, Dirty Duck Dinners. Hello. Thank you. Trying to sell me something. This is a little bit sad view. The roof fall down here from this building. But yeah, okay. Not saying pessimistic stuff, right? Anyway, here there was the very popular veggie karma restaurant for vegan people. That was like, I don't remember exactly. I was here with my vegan friends. It was like 50K you pay and you can eat all you can eat. And unfortunately was super busy at that time, and unfortunately it's totally closed and deserted. This is the veggie karma, which is pretty sad view. So, you know guys, even it's maybe not optimistic right now, but I have to show you that. You know me from this side, as I'm always showing you everything, no matter how it is, guys. Some of you may don't like it, some of you appreciate that. I cannot make happy everyone also, right? So that's how it is. All right, and now is the time to cross the street. One more time, this is the sign of Monkey Forest over there. And I started vlog somewhere in this area, but this is also one street. Quite busy actually, and I'm gonna show you around. This is the Coco Mart for everyone who maybe have a memories used to shop here. Not sure if it's really matter, however it is. So I start vlog here. The live stream, I used to go all around this area and passing a little bit at the beginning this side also. I'm gonna show you one more time. This is the Pizon Cafe and Vondage. Vondage is growing actually right now. This is the American company. The brand is American, but I think they took the franchise in Bali, obviously. This is like Deus or I don't know, other companies with the motorbikes. I showed you more about this side of the street at the beginning of the live stream. So now I'm gonna show you a little bit more on this side of the street during the return way. Oh, this is this car what passing me before, the sandwich bar. We also have sandwich bar in Sanur. Also, this company is brand new company. They opened the restaurant during the current situations, during the first lockdowns in Sanur, and after 1 year they developed pretty well and they opened another one in Ubud. So there are actually few companies in Bali, few restaurants, few cafes who open their business, just totally brand new owners during the current situation, during the lockdowns. And suddenly, hopefully, luckily, they become very popular and even they open the different shops in different parts. While many other businesses, restaurants, they went into bankruptcy, other people get successful. Just fun fact, interesting fact, maybe. But this is always like that. It's like, this is the law of the business. This is the normal thing. When in 2008 there was the global crisis, economical crisis, many people went into bankruptcy with their business. Many people really got into real financial troubles, but many people also get filthy rich during the 2008, 2009, 2010 was the really terrible time of the economical crisis in 2008. So for me at that time I was still in the high school, but I remember because when I was 16 I already had my own business in Poland during high school. So that's also a very interesting fact, never share with you, maybe it's good time. When I was 16 in Poland I joined to the high school, and at the same time I opened my own business in Poland with my mama actually, because in Poland it needs to be 18 years old, but when you are 16 you can have rights to own the business if your parent is into the shareholders. So I had my small business in Poland when I was 16, when I was teenager in the high school. So just interesting fact. This business doesn't exist anymore, and that was years ago, but yeah, I had my own my own sources when I was in the high school. Just interesting fact. And that was the beginning of the economical crisis in 2008. I used to drive the Jimmy like this long time ago. Was also a lot of broken all the time. But very nice car, sentimental for me. And here we go, showing you this side of the street right now. Whew. Boss Barber since 2017. Where is the Boss Barber? The Boss Barber was here. It was Boss Barber, it's not exist anymore. Yeah, that's how it is. A little bit of the traffic. And maybe if you are still with me since the beginning, since very first minute, you remember as I start my live stream in this area, in this corner next to the Taco Casa. So here we go, guys. This is like a corner where is the few buildings abandoned, waiting for the new owners and new businesses around. But yeah, I'll show you maybe a little bit on this perspective again. You can feel as you are working here. Mamma Mia pizza. I heard this pizza is very good. Many of you used to eat pizza here. They have a wooden fire. That's actually good because Taco Casa, I started here because Massimo, famous Massimo Insano, for example, in Trambigan Lake, at the beginning of the current situation during the first lockdown, they destroyed the wooden fireplace for making pizza, and they making using the gas oven, and the taste of the pizza is slightly worse. But just interesting fact, not saying bad about Massimo or something, but I love pizza from wooden fireplace. That's how it's originally supposed to be made, and taste is really different. As you know already, I'm kinda pizza lover. Anyway, what we have here, you can stay in Artinidia, I don't know, hard name, 5 million per month. Just interesting fact, the hotel is somewhere over there at the corner of Taco Casa in Ubud. Just interesting fact. Who's who? Alright, 10% discount. Nice cafe, alright. There's some cafes everywhere around. I like this street, to be honest. I forgot the name again of the street. I know almost every street in Bali. Okay, most of streets, especially the streets where popular tourist destination, the hotspot. But I don't know the names. I know where I am. I can get wherever you're gonna ask me. I will go there. But I don't know what's the name of the street. If you're gonna tell me, go to Jeanspan, like this one. Okay, no worries. But I don't know what's the name of the street. Anyway, here is complex of the few places. They are for lease, for rent. Even the people park the cars over there. Heading now into direction of the big petrol station at the corner in the Ubud center. You must know this place if you have ever been in Ubud. You can buy petrol here, by the way, to the motorbike. Very nice, very nice. This is Nasi Jingo for 5K only. Hello. Yeah, good day. People's thinking because I'm Australian because saying good day. Anyway, doesn't matter. Good day. Who knows? Maybe if I were born in different ages, maybe my ancestors will be Australian, right? Anyway, doesn't really matter, guys. Many of you are Australian anyway, so that's good. But that means Bali is very popular to Australian people. Anyway, check this out. There is loud bikes. Oh, okay, so there is the Bebek Crispy, where is the Gen Spa, and there is so many development and construction here. There is Hotel Spa and Nostimo Greek restaurant still open, and there used to be some very huge restaurant. I forgot the name. What was the restaurant? But it's totally under the deconstruction. They destroy all of it. What was here? There was huge place, and they're gonna build something here. I hope so. They're gonna build something nice or authentic, because the restaurant or hotel, I don't remember, I think the restaurant was huge and was very authentic. Marines, this is the first pizza shop, Spacanapoli, where I used to have my first pizza in Ubud a long time ago, just next to the Maxon Hotel. And many people saying as Maxon Hotel is the ugly looking hotel in Ubud, which is totally shouldn't be here. This is only what I read in the comments of some people. This is not what I think personally. I have no personal thoughts about anything because it's not mine. I just respect everything what is it around. Anyway, this is the this is actually Arma, the Agung Crime Museum of Art, and I'm not sure if the museum is destroyed or what was here, but it's destroyed. I will come back later also and I will show you one more time, but it's destroyed. I just wanted to show you from this perspective how does it look like. Here is little container something. There's the restaurant, another money changer, Batubara restaurant, nice. And there is the money changer. You can find out what's the currency status right now. Our spa. actually so many projects here and development, guys. Really a lot. In this side, this is actually closer to Sanur, closer to Denpasar, close to the petrol station, and seems like it's actually quite a lot of development here. So I'm showing you this side of the street right now, and on the way return I'm gonna go there where is petrol station, and I'm gonna come back. So I'm gonna show you this side of the street, right? So you will have a good point of view on the left and on the right at the same time, so will be not much mixed up. Because if I'm gonna move from the left to the right, it's too complicated for you to catch it, and maybe you can even get a headache watching this. So let's focus on the one side of the street, guys. And this is the, yo, what's up? There was some guys. Amatara hotel, heading now into the petrol station. There is the printing company for the t-shirts, if you will be interested. Somebody asked me also about that, but you need to print 12 pieces at least. Babi Guling Ibugendut. Here you go, guys. Here you go. And this is Ubud Bali. And now I'm approaching the petrol station in Ubud, and a very busy junction also. There was also some pizza shop somewhere here. Actually quite many pizza shop in Ubud. I don't know why it's like that, but this is how it is. And yeah, this is the petrol station, Benain Junction. I'm gonna stop here for 30 seconds, maybe I'm gonna show you how it looks the traffic in the junction in Ubud. It's actually quite busy, I could say. This is the petrol station. Also quite busy, quite many foreigners filling their tanks into motorbikes. Traffic is also kinda busy, I could say. So here we go. One more time I'm gonna show you slowly, very slowly, 360 degrees. How does it look like? You can let me know what do you think. It's definitely busier. In my opinion, it's definitely busier, but you can comment below what do you think about that. Let me know in the live chat or in the comment section. This is the same motorbike what I saw in the Jalan Monkey Forest with this vinyl foil. They have some clinics here. You can make a, well, if something happened to you, you can make a checkpoint or make a test. I think this is lady owner of this motorbike because pink helmet next to the Bitik. I bet. Alright, I need to pass the street again, cross the street to show you from the different perspective as I promised you. In my little traffic, there is the shop, Babi Guling, and it's actually quite busy. Check this out, how many motorbikes are coming here. This is very unusual, and during the current situation, I could say. Previously, yes, of course, was the normal stuff as with so many motorbikes, but right now, I don't know. All right, here we go, guys. Okay, I quickly cross the street. Here we go, guys. Yeah, Baju, cows. There is another small cafe shop. There was the kid saying hi to me, and there was the name of the coffee mushroom. So, like I said, this is all new actually, open really not so long ago, because when I used to vlogging here months ago, there was nothing here actually. I was talking also about the house, the rules about renting something in Bali. Yes, you have to rent something up front 2-3 years often. But this one is still nothing happening all the time. Since the beginning actually. This is some local courier delivering you parcels whenever you order something online. Usually they will deliver you by motorbike, like this guy. They have trucks obviously and cars, but I think they're driving from depots to depots and then delivering you by the motorbike, because of, obviously many streets are very small and very hard access. So yeah, there was the museum here actually, I remember. And this is Ghana Hotel Restaurant. This something here is also something new. Very here, I just stepped very close to this pothole with the water, and the guy was driving a truck and clapped on me a little bit. It's better I go from here until another truck gonna try to make a fun of me. Well, I could say that was just accident, right? Not in purpose, right? Anyway, there's supposed to be some restaurant next to Max 1. I think they also built very new here. I remember there was the construction, but seems like they open and that's it. They didn't They didn't make it. Max 1 hotel. Alright, it's going to be very dark. I think it's still 45 minutes to the sunset or something like that, or 1 hour to the sunset, but it's very cloudy at the front, and that's why the situation is very hard. It's going to be very dark. So guys, I will finish. So guys, what was that? So guys, hold on a second, I messed up. So guys, I will finish my live stream right now, very close, very soon. I'm gonna show you a little bit. Maybe I will drive and show you a little bit around on the way home. Or maybe not, let's see, I'm tired already. Today, 1.5 hour live stream around. I hope so you enjoy. And as always, I will see you on next one. The next live stream will be on Saturday or on Friday. I used to make 3 weeks on Friday. I try on Saturday. Let's see which option is better for you, for me. Let me know, guys. And next time I will vlog, make a live stream in Legian or in Sanur. Let me know in the chat, live chat, in the comment section, which one you like. Sanur, working all around, or Legian, working all around. This is 2 options for the next weekend. And yeah, thank you so much, guys. I really feel tired already. It's even hard for me to talk a little bit. I hope so you enjoy. Thank you so much for everyone, and I will see you on next one. See ya, take care. I will a little bit still continue so you can say goodbye and talk to each other for the 5 minutes or something like that. Thank you so much, guys. Take care. Oops, sorry for the shakiness.